A very good Monday morning to everyone out there. Landon here with you in the driver's seat to bring you your weather or not forecast, courtesy of Ohio Valley Insurance. A little bit of a change in the script as we work throughout this week, folks. We're getting far away from the snow and the frigid temperatures. We're going to be looking at much warmer temperatures, but coming along with that is going to be numerous chances for showers and storms with a very active pattern here on the horizon. Looking over the latest radar, folks, they have an overrunning event taking place over Arkansas, stretching up into Missouri, up into Illinois. Some dangerous freezing rain. Windy weather going over in that direction as well. You can see the moisture is coming out of the south and west. We're going to be keeping eyes down here, folks, as we work throughout the week. This is where all of our weather makers are going to be arriving from. Jumping out and getting a look over the region. White Squirrel Weather and SCAM showcasing partly cloudy skies to start things out. We should be underneath partly to mostly sunny skies here as we progress and work throughout the entirety of today. Jumping over and getting a look over the Beechtree News Sky Cam up in Morgantown, showcasing the same conditions. Very similar over in that direction as well. Temperatures are warming up, but we are starting out on the cold side, that is for sure. We got values located down around the mid and upper teens region-wide, hitting the 20-degree mark already in North Warren County, up to the mid-20s over in Barron County, all the way up to near the 30-degree mark down here on the Tennessee border, down in Simpson County. We're going to be taking highs all the way up to the mid-40s today. We should be looking at a drastic improvement in the travel conditions. We got a number of local schools that are still closed today, mainly due to the secondary side and county roads that are still basically a solid sheet of snow and ice. But hitting the mid-40s today, we get some sunshine in here. We should make a whole lot of progress as we work throughout the day. Looking here at the latest surface map, you can see what's ongoing. A very, very busy weather front, to say the least. Overrunning event taking place with a warm, moist air driving out of the Gulf and rising up over the sub-freezing layer, dropping and creating that freezing rain event right there just west of the region. You can see the purple shade comes over into our vicinity, folks. That's nothing to worry about. That's just the shading there of the parameters that that particular model has aligned. Let's jump over here and let's talk about this active pattern that's going to be in the store for us as we work throughout this week. As we progress throughout today, and then we work on into our Tuesday as well, we're going to see this upper level trough take shape right across the central and southern USA. As that does so, this trough is going to be a driving force. We got high pressure set up down here to the south and east of us. Numerous weather makers, numerous surface lows are going to be developing over the Gulf, bowing off to the north and east. And this is going to be a repetitive pattern of numerous rounds of showers and storms beginning tonight. And basically, folks, lasting throughout the remainder of the week, if I'm being honest with you. All right? Doesn't look like a good, fun week on the weather front, especially if you enjoy the outdoors, because it doesn't look like you're going to be doing much of that. Here we are looking at today, and we're going to just put this into motion and take you throughout the remainder of the week, all right? So we'll put this started up here for you. We get into tonight. These rain showers arrive from the west by sunrise tomorrow. Here we are looking at Tuesday evening. Here we are getting into Wednesday morning. Here we are going into our Thursday. Here we are progressing into our Friday. And then we get into that upcoming weekend. Watch over here, yet another low pressure system develops. As we progress into our Saturday and Sunday, we keep the rain and storm chances in the forecast again. So you can kind of see what we're looking at here, just this a consistent feed of moisture coming out off of the Gulf. We're going to be trapped between that upper level trough to our west and then that high pressure down to our south that's going to be working in confluence to pull all that moisture up and into our vicinity. Looks like the heaviest rain will be falling in the Wednesday afternoon through Thursday morning time frame is what we're pegging down there. But again, folks, pretty much throughout the remainder of the week, we're just going to be getting numerous chances repetitively in here. Might need a boat instead of a, a full-wheel drive or chains on tires to get through snow. We might be looking at aquatic mechanisms of transportation by the time the end of the week rolls around. If you're up here in the Bowling Green vicinity, avoid Fairview, right? Don't want anyone getting stuck and getting another victim over there at Fairview Plaza. Nailing it down on whenever the rain's going to arrive for us. We work throughout today. It remains to our west, and we get into tonight. And right around sunrise on Tuesday, we get it arriving here across the western edge of our vicinity. Then progressing from sunrise on into mid-morning, it becomes more likely. Continuing all the way through our Tuesday. Here we are working into Tuesday night. We get a brief reprieve. And as previously mentioned, folks, here we are rolling into the pre-dawn hours of Wednesday. Heaviest rainfall is expected Wednesday, lasting on into our Thursday time frame, is what we're pegging down over in that direction as well. It won't all be bad news, though, folks. We can still use some of the rain. Take a look here at the latest drought monitor that was released. We have been downgraded across the Wobbles community. That's good news. We have Edmonson County, Barron County, Eastern Allen County that's been downgraded from a severe drought to a moderate drought. And the rest of the region's been taken from a moderate drought to just abnormally dry. Folks, combine the rising temperatures throughout this week along with our melting snowpack, we could see some hydrological issues come to fruition because we are anticipating anywhere between 1 to 3+ inches of rainfall by the time we roll into Monday of next week. All right, so over the next 7 days, we could have some isolated locations approaching the 4-inch mark. We'll be keeping eyes on it, but combine that with the snowpack. The National Weather Service did mention some minor flooding concerns might hit a few flood stages up on the Green River. So those of you in Rochester and Woodbury up in Butler County need to be aware of that as well. As far as severe weather is concerned, we're not expecting any strong or severe storms. We might get a few rumbles of thunder in here in the Wednesday to Thursday time frame. We're looking at the severe weather outlook for Wednesday, and we just have a generalized thunderstorm category that we have been included in. Now for the major warm-up, take a look at your next 5-day weather forecast. For today, low to mid-40s, underneath partly to mostly sunny skies, no complaining there. Then the rain showers take over tonight. They continue throughout our Tuesday with highs near 50. Tuesday night into Wednesday, highs between the low and mid-60s. Wednesday night into Thursday, the same song and dance. You kind of get the idea where this is going. Mid and upper 50s on Friday underneath cloudy skies, some drizzle here and there, and then scattered rain showers right back into the mix Friday night into Saturday with highs holding right around the 50-degree mark. That'll wrap up your Monday morning edition of your Weather or Not forecast, brought to you by Ohio Valley Insurance. You all take care of yourselves and each other. Have a fantastic